In question 23, we're told that Amina has a cuboid 6 wide, 3 deep, and 4 high. So if you look at this, it's 1, 2, 3 cubes deep, 1, 2, 3, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes high. 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes high. So this front layer is that. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them to form the cuboid. So now this is what the cuboid looks like. 1, 2, 3 deep, 1, 2, 3, 4 high, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes wide. So we need to figure out how long it is, how tall it is, and how wide it is. So let's look at the length. It's 6. And the height, or how tall it is, it's 4. And how wide it is, it's 3. So the volume is simply the length times the height, which is how tall it is, times the width, which is how wide it is. Six times 4 times 3. So let's do this first. 4 times 3, we know it's 12. So our calculation is 6 times 12. If you know your 6 times table, you know 6 times 12 is 72. Now the units are centimeter cubed for this problem. So let me write down the volume of Amina's cuboid. Now Stefan builds a cuboid which is 5 centimeters longer, 5 centimeters taller, and 5 centimeters wider. So we need to add 5 centimeters to each one of these. So let's go ahead and do that. The length, the height, which is how tall it is, and the width. So 6 add 5 is 11. 4 add 5 is 9. 3 add 5 is 8. Now we need to work out Stefan's volume. So let's go ahead and do that. 11 times 9 times 8. So let's do 9 times 8. So if we know our 9 times table, this is easy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 9 is 72. So I can put 72 here times 11. Now I need to do this calculation, and I'll do it using column multiplication. So let me do 72 times 11. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now I'm going to move on to the next column, but let me rub this out to make it easier. Now before I start, I'm going to put a helper zero or a placeholder because it makes my calculation much easier. So now I simply do 1 times 2, which is 2, and 1 times 7, which is 7. Now I simply add these two. 2 add 0 is 2, 7 add 2 is 9, and 0 add 7 is 7. So Stefan's cuboid is 792 centimeter cubed. So I can write that there now. Now we need to work out the difference between Stefan's cuboid and Amina's cuboid. And the word difference simply means minus. So 792 minus 72. 2 take away 2 is 0. 9 take away 7 is 2. And 7 take away nothing is 7. So the difference between the two cuboids is 720 centimeter cubed. Okay, let me just point this out. Whenever you measure volume, one of the units is centimeter cubed. So you can say it like this. Or you can say cubic centimeters.